This is Lenny Dope. Today we're going to be checking out a $2 million cocaine seizure in a truck. Before we get started, I want to give a shout out to my new subscribers. We at 120. Let's try to get to 200. So if you see this video and you fuck with it, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I very much appreciate it. But let's go ahead and dive into this video today. Oh, and for those people who talk shit about my smoke detector, it's the ceiling top too high. But I'm gonna get to it. Just don't rush me. Body camera is always in a weird place. You can't even see the dude.
Friend's truck. Okay, you gotta get out, stay out that left lane out there.
Move your arm.
You got CDL? Okay, you got CDL, sir?
He said you got a CDL? Yeah. What the fuck? Why that cup right there? It's gonna spill over.
You got registration, sir? Yes, sir. So you driving for a friend?
Yeah, my friend's the owner.
Excuse me, officer, this is not mine.
You in here?
No, it's the song.
Team driver? Let me see.
Yeah, I'm a...
It was a dude in the back the whole time. We didn't even know about it. He said, "Is it a team driver?"
Hello?
He was like, "No." What you mean, no? Why you back there?
You guys are team drivers?
No, this guy that need the new driver license, the permit.
He's stuttering like a motherfucker.
No. Why are you here then? Why are you in the
You're not driving.
Okay. Showing him how to do it? Is that what he said? Teach you how to do it.
Wait, he learning?
Okay.
How you learning in the back? And wasn't that curtain closed?
Yeah. So you live in Miami?
Yes.
And the company's at Orlando?
Excuse me, officer. I am learning how to drive here. Just back here.
Orlando. And whose trailer is that?
Huh?
Whose trailer is that?
Yeah, for me.
That's your trailer? Okay. So your friend's truck or your trailer? Okay. You don't have a
My
truck?
friend truck, but it's
Yeah,
my
my
truck.
truck is broken.
I just borrowed the truck real quick.
Well, I have a motor.
Yeah.
What kind of motor you got?
Yeah, this is the truck.
Oh. Let me see your bill of lading for the freight.
Yeah.
What's in the trailer today, sir? What's inside the trailer?
It's a freezer.
It's a freezer.
Freezer. Minus 10.
Is that what the drug is?
We're going to
In the freezer?
Starbucks.
This one now?
We're going to Starbucks.
Okay.
I'm going to Starbucks.
Where did you guys pick it up from?
Phoenix. Phoenix.
Yo, they ain't making sense. He gonna search it.
You have your logbook, sir? Huh?
Yeah, I have the logbook.
No logbook? Why not?
Huh?
No? Do you have a logbook?
You need a logbook. It's required by the Department of Transportation. No logbook.
You got a logbook? Why not?
I'll tell you where you came from,
You guys
where you
don't
going.
write the logbook? Do you have one you can fill out right now?
No.
You have a
You
logbook
can fill
you
one
can
out
fill
right now.
Yeah, I have the no.
Now, let me
She
see.
said,
You
yeah.
stay in Phoenix for 5 days? At the truck stop?
Yeah, the truck.
This is how
Can you get a load?
to get a ticket and search. You acting too suspicious.
Okay. All right. Let's check all the lights. Thank you. I'm gonna check that car signature.
It must be a inspection. But they ain't say nothing about speed or nothing.
legal inside the truck. You're okay if I search it? Huh? You okay if I search the truck and the trailer? You okay with it?
He can't hear
Why don't
nothing.
you go back there and hang out with him for a few minutes?
He said, come on, let's hang out. Sure, I'm willing to hang out at the police car. Why not? She was in there comfortable. At least they got him for Chewy. It's all taped up. Why he threw it? I couldn't even see it. Come here, let me talk to you.
Huh? Yes, sir. Turn around. Right now. Hands behind your back. Don't move. You under arrest. You under arrest.
He like, come here. He like, what? What's going on? What you mean what's going on? You know it's drugs in that goddamn car. Man, you tripping. I don't know anything. Remember, I was learning how to traffic these drugs. I wasn't actually trafficking this time. I'm in training.
Hey, chill. I don't know what's wrong. You tell me.
You tell me where you putting handcuffs on me.
I'll let you know here in just a minute. I'll get you back.
He said, I don't know what's going on at all. Oh, you don't know anything? I guarantee you know it's drugs in that car. Because you was back there with the drugs, man.
They're not tied.
Hiding.
Look at this one.
I will adjust them here in a minute.
I'm not gonna do nothing.
Okay. Sit down.
Man, back there with the drugs. I don't remember.
Manos en la espalda.
You got a box of birds back there. Or, I don't know, one big bag. I don't know. As you think about it, it's a whole trailer
Siéntese.
attached to it. It might be something in the trailer.
Siéntese.
A little bit of
It said 2 million.
It's not tight. I can put my finger in there. Just the way your hand is.
I don't think 2 million would be in that.
Good?
that
We'll
chili
adjust
box.
them when somebody else gets here.
You can put it on the
You're
front.
twisting your... Huh?
You can put it on the front.
When somebody else gets here. Okay?
Can I make a phone?
Yeah. I got somebody coming. You guys can get up off the ground here in just a minute. We'll adjust the cuffs, okay?
What is it?
So I got somebody else coming. I need to read you
He
your
said,
rights.
I called somebody
You
to
have the
help
right,
me
before
take
we
you
ask you any
down.
questions, you must understand your rights. You have the
He
right
said,
to
okay.
remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you can't afford a lawyer now, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering questions at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to the lawyer. Do you understand your rights? And he's just hit yes or no.
Now tell me everything.
Yeah? Don't worry about it. I don't have a Spanish one, so we'll get you
They
on
need
that.
to shut up and call Bruce Rivers.
I'm sorry. Can I get my phone number? My phone? So I can make a call? That's it?
Who you gonna call?
Oh my God, that's it.
He gonna call the plug and tell him, hey, they got the shit.
It's alright?
You say your baby mama?
They found the shit.
Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll do that in a little bit, okay?
The deal is off.
Real quick.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the other guy to get here. He's about to be 3 minutes away.
We're not trying to do nothing stupid.
I hope not.
We're
He
calling
said
over
we ain't
you.
on that.
All
We
right.
ain't on that. He said they good. He said they good. They already know it's over.
We want to make a phone call and that's it.
Okay. You want to talk to me about anything that's going on today?
Nah, I don't know what you
I
think
don't
is
talk
over.
about nothing going
Okay.
on today.
Well, I do commercial
I
vehicle
talk about the
inspection.
weather, the drugs.
I'm gonna be up front. Looks like there's some drugs in the truck. Okay. So
Yeah, some drugs in the truck.
I don't know if you guys
You know
want to
it.
cooperate with us or not. If you don't want to make any statements, that's fine.
I don't know what's in the truck.
Okay.
I don't know.
Are you able to translate if I ask him something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ask him if he wants to cooperate with this investigation.
Hey.
Can you ask him that?
Look like some drugs.
What do you say?
I didn't tell you you could search
Okay.
the car.
We'll stop it there for now.
He about to take some pictures. They about to plaster you up
Like weed in
all
here,
over the
don't it?
news.
Oh yeah.
And then they blowing trees. Come on, that's give them. There goes probable cause right there to search the vehicle. You know, even if it's like something that's not some inspection type stuff, right? You blowing trees, which means he smelled that the first time when he walked up there, which means you gave him a reason.
Basically, these two boxes, it's right there.
My bad.
Now it's covered up like this. So I'll take a couple pictures of that.
Still use your camera?
Yeah.
It does smell like
Just use your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Then they can subpoena your phone. A box of birds. This dude got a whole box of birds. He going there. 2 boxes of birds. He got 2 boxes of birds. He going to prison. It's over. It's over. Yep, he done. They about to be on the news smiling with his drugs. And we prevented crime today. These are gonna poison people. You better hope you
Bring
violate
those
your
out. I'm
fence.
gonna grab one. I'll grab the other. Where's the other box at? Okay, cool.
He said where that box at. You can't lose that box. He better not say nothing. Cause the dude who sent him that way with that many bricks, you don't want to tell him. Huh? You want to. That can't be good. Can't be good. They got them all strung together and stuff.
Tied to a rope for.
Is it tied through it?
Yeah. So they pull that out somewhere.
They pull it out somewhere. So they feeding them into the like the truck.
They shove that in there.
They can't even do it yet.
Not to look real.
They got lazy.
A lot of times you'll see these.
This
in
thing with this
actual-
bus is
not
too
actual
easy.
apartments, but,
Too easy. You just got
sidewalk
2
apartments.
boxes of birds just laying there.
I'll show you where they gain
Blowing
access to it.
trees.
So they just stuff all in there and leave a rope where they can pull back up.
Y'all crazy. Y'all just felonies waiting to happen.
So 20 kilos.
20 keys.
Alright.
They going for 20 keys. It's a wrap. They got 20 keys.
Yeah, baby.
The trunk can't even fit the keys. No. He trying to shove that shit in there. All right, there you go. That was a traffic stop turned into $2 million cocaine seizure. I want to appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.